Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're obviously super Christmassy. Christmas is like a week away, so I just thought I'd do a look that I thought was inspired by Christmas, just kind of like what I would wear. Again, it's a little bit much, but I love makeup, so I always decide to go all out. So the hair, the makeup, and then you probably can't see, but the super cute Christmas slippers because I'm from Hawaii, so yeah. So if you'd like to go ahead and see how I did this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and start by priming my eyelids with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eye Primer, and then I'm going to go into the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face, as well as Smashbox Primer Water. And then I'm going to go into the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to use the color Mean in the crease, and then I'm going to put the color Hatter in the outer V. Going into the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette, and I'm going to take that bright glittery red, wet that with some Smashbox Photo Focus Primer Water. I think that's what it's called. Photo Focus Smashbox Primer Water? Whatever that's called. Primer Water. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to make the color more vibrant and nice and bright. Don't forget to blend like your life depends on it, because it really does. Just kidding. But in order to make an eye look amazing, you want to blend like your life depends on it. I'm going to go in with my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation on, which is my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I'm going to use my tried and true concealer, and that is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. To set our makeup down, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape powder and just set everything together. Easy peasy. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use my Tea Rose blush from Milani, and then finally to highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Smashbox and Casey Holmes collaboration. To finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the color Kitten Heels. Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget that you can always feel free to subscribe down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and if you love Christmas. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye.